the Alaskan people went to fight. Why do they want to do that? There's more of us. But they just want to rule Germany. Get the German flag. Dun 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 dun. Let me put this up here. They're putting up the flag, so let's put up ours. Dun, dun, boom, boom, boom. We'll still win, you know. That's so stupid of them thinking about that. They'll win. Yeah. I heard that. Hush you, dummy. Then compute. Well, if you want to do that, let's fight. Yeah, fight. I'll go after this one. Head to head with this one. I'll go 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 head to head with this one. And because you're beginners, you don't get to fight. Man. Well, let's see what will happen between us and Alaska. I just have to be over here. Gosh, I have no idea where to put them. Hey. I got an idea. Destroy their flag. Destroy their flag. You destroy your flag. They crushed our flag. Oh, I'll do that to theirs. Oh man, it's heavy duty. Fight. It's in the garbage now. He's done with it now. Oh, dang. He did it. German dogs rule. Oh, no, they don't. Ah. I'm a tree fighter, so I'm not. More Germany people than more Germany dogs than him. Okay. always win. Pew, pew, pew. I don't care for that girl anyway, so good job. German dogs still rule. They're winning. That's the end of their club. Oh my lord. We only have 2, and they have a lot. But could this dumb dog do it? Help! Don't hurt them. German dogs win! And Alaskan dogs lose. So German flag is the ruler. Yeah, da 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 bam 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 do do do. Ah! Do 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 do.